Setting up Sam's Club Scan and Go is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To set up Sam's Club Scan and Go, open the Sam's Club application and tap the Scan and Go icon. This is usually located on the main screen or within the More section. Then scan your Sam's Club membership card. Use the app's camera to scan the barcode on your physical membership card. Now review the terms and conditions. Read and agree to the Scan and Go terms and conditions to proceed. And start scanning. You are now ready to scan your items. Simply point your phone's camera at the barcode on each item you want to purchase. The app will automatically add them to your virtual cart. Continue shopping. Scan as many items as you need while browsing the store. You can also use the app's search function to locate specific items. And once you're finished shopping, head to the designated Scan and Go checkout area. Scan the QR code displayed there with your phone to initiate the payment process. Then choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method within the app, such as your linked debit or credit card, Sam's Club MasterCard, or Sam's Club Cash. Now receive your receipt after a successful payment. You will receive a digital receipt within the app. You can also choose to have a paper receipt printed at the kiosk.